In Rally 2, we have Kajentawith as number 1, tumpige makofi. And we have Prokop as number 2, and our own Carl Tundo as number 3. By, I think, counting the Kenyans, Carl Tundo became number 1. Congratulations, Carl, for carrying our flag very high, and all the others who have participated in many ways.
Allow me to congratulate our race ace, Carl Tundo, for representing the county of Nakuru in this race. We are proud that you, a son of our soil, and our gratitude also goes to the Kenyan drivers, and we cannot forget the women drivers and co-drivers who braved the dust, the heat, the terrain to complete the race. We are proud of all of you.
Especially this year was a bit harder because of the changing weather conditions, and then we had two fantastic drivers, Dominguez, Bailey, and also Hamza drove very well, so it was more competition than last year, so I'm very happy to be at the podium and get the points here.
3 WRC Safari Rally.